My dear viewers, welcome to Busy Bee from Germany. I'm Busy Bee from Germany. This is my little channel here. I hope you feel comfortable here and you share the community that we are all in. We are all doll lovers. We are all doll collectors. So why not make a community? That was the thought for founding my little channel here. And it's more than your just one-stop Barbie repair workshop. So when I came across problems with dolls, I decided to make a channel to give you the instructions to repair them. So we do re-roots, we give them new hair, we do repaints, we give them a new face, we design doll clothes. We can also be very creative here. This is the space where you can do everything. Remember the slogan? We girls can do anything, but not only girls. Also boys can do anything here. So let me inspire you, but I also want to give you some show and tell videos. When you have one specific doll not in your collection, or maybe you missed something because the last 40 years of Barbie are over for a while, and that's what I am concentrating here on, the first 40 years of Barbie. And when Barbie ever has a problem, I try to make a tutorial about the problem. And that's why we are all here, aren't we? I have been collecting for more than 25 years. I hope you come back to my channel very, very soon. And you can also support me with your broken Barbie dolls. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye.